Meet David. His startup was stuck. He needed reliable plastic parts manufacturing to bring his product to life. Local suppliers were slow, costly, and couldn't meet his design needs. While searching online, he found Createproto Rapid System Limited. What stood out? Precision CNC machining, fast turnaround, and prototypes built exactly to spec. The website was clear, easy to use, and filled with proof of their expertise. He ordered once, and the parts arrived faster than expected. Strong, accurate, ready to test. No delays, no quality issues, just seamless service. With every project, he gained more trust and more speed to market. Today, his business is scaling because Createproto Rapid System Limited makes innovation simple. So, like David, do you need such plastic parts manufacturing services? Call +86 755 281 37273 for further details.